Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hope you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about ChatGPT, how you can make ChatGPT as your speaking partner. So this video is going to be helpful for the beginners who has started learning English language, as most of the people are not from English speaking community. So they do not have enough partner for practicing English. They do not have friends or the people with whom he or she can practice all the time. So I think ChatGPT can help you here to be your conversational partner. So it can help you from different way, whatever you want. You can ask ChatGPT and it is really able to answer of your question. So you can learn a lot of things from ChatGPT. So now I'm going to make a conversation with ChatGPT. Okay, so let's see. Just tap on the ChatGPT application. So if you do not have this application on your mobile phone, just go to Play Store, search ChatGPT. Okay, just tap on it. Then yeah, this is the application. So now it's almost installed here on my mobile phone. Click on open. At the bottom of your screen you can see there is a message option. Okay, so now I'm going to just speak. Tap on the right icon. Assalamu alaikum, good morning.
Wa alaikum assalam. Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, alhamdulillah, I'm pretty fine. What can I call you? Is it he or she or it?
You can think of me as an it. I don't have a specific gender or name, but I'm here to help.
Okay, thank you. So I'm going to ask you some questions.
Of course. I'm ready. What would you like to ask?
Okay, how ChatGPT can help to improve English speaking skills?
ChatGPT can help improve English speaking skills by having conversations, providing feedback, and suggesting corrections. You can practice dialogues, learn new vocabulary, and even improve pronunciation. It's like having a conversation partner available anytime.
Can you help some tips for daily practices?
Of course, here are a few simple tips for daily English practice. 1. Read in English every day, even just for 10 to 15 minutes. You could read news articles, short stories, or anything you enjoy. 2. Speak out loud. Practice speaking English even if you're just reading or talking to yourself. It helps build confidence. 3. Listen to English. Watch shows, podcasts, or music in English to get used to different accents and vocabulary. 4. Write a daily journal. Try writing a few sentences in English each day. It helps improve your writing and thinking in English. 5. Learn new words. Pick a few new words every day and try using them in sentences. Does that sound like a helpful start?
Okay, thank you. Thank you for suggesting some effective resources. And so I'm going to ask you the last question today. What are some fun ways to learn English for beginners?
There are plenty of fun ways to learn English, especially for beginners. Here are a few ideas. 1. Watch cartoons or animated movies in English. They often use simple language and clear pronunciation, making them easier to understand. 2. Play language games. Apps like Memrise or Quizlet offer fun vocabulary and grammar games to make learning interactive. 3. Sing along to English songs. This helps with pronunciation and vocabulary. You can follow the lyrics and understand the meaning of the songs. 4. Use language exchange apps. Apps like HelloTalk or Tandem let you chat with native speakers, so you can learn English through conversation. 5. Storytelling with pictures. Look at a picture and try to tell a story about it in English. This boosts creativity and language skills. 6. Label things around your home. Put English labels on objects you use daily. It helps you associate the word with the object and remember it better. Does any of this sound fun to you?
Okay, thank you for giving your valuable time here to me. Hope to see you again with many topics and for practicing purpose very soon.
You're very welcome. It was a pleasure helping you, and I'm glad I could assist with your questions. Feel free to come back anytime to chat or practice. I'll be here whenever you need. Take care, and good luck with your English learning.
Take care.